Who are you going to nominate, Liz?
No, she needs to speech.
Oh, Jesus.
First of all, she
Jesus, exactly. He can't be up for a nomination again.
Right, firstly, I would like to thank, I think it was Amy Mulholland, my daughter, who nominated me, and you get a tanking when you go home. And I would like to nominate Katrina McGrath and Carol McGrath.
Good.
So, right, here we go.
Ready? One, boys.
Please,
No,
boys.
you need to both lift it, it's too heavy. Ready, steady, go!
Okay, one more bucket, one more bucket.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh my God, Meg!
Come on! Maggie, Meg!
That's good, Randall.
That's Meg nominating somebody else.
Brilliant.
Oh, even my flower's soaking.